don't know what you do to me. Inside of you is where I wanna be. Girl, you make me hurt, 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 hurt. The way you make it work, 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 work. Girl, now let me see you work, 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 work. Girl, let me see you work, 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 work. Girl, let me see you work, 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 work.
Marijuana, alcohol induced. Let me see you work it like it's overtime. Bend it over, I'm taller than you, so my dick's on your spine. Huh? Let me see you jerk it like my chicken. Twerk it, reverse it, baby, you in perfect position. Listen.
With my boy Jeezy out.
Talk to him.
You know what I'm saying? We're doing this thing out here in the street. If you ain't get with it, you better get lost, bitch.
Yo, it's part 10. You spell bars B-A-R-S, right? Alright, now peep the scheme. They ain't wanna give me mine, so I'm bullying all respect, son. Taking shit, making hits, basically about to wreck something. I got you hyped for this plight, like the night before the checks come. Nail biting in real suspense, trying to find hints for the next one. You itching and yearning, I'm gifted spitting these sermons. Should throw these bars at Richard Sherman and tell him I need some press coverage. Broadcasters and reporters scattered. Season 1 of these bars in rigor mortis status, but I'ma give you what's left of it. I gave you 9, an extension and something for Christmas. These bars are ridiculous and sensitive, now it's on to the next subject. Thought I was lying, bitch, I said I'm coming. If these bitches about really sucking, then I'm trying to get some head or something. So I can bust and relieve stress. If I bust and we need sex, then yes, bitch, I'm trying to put my leg in something. But that was last night. Your boy Ant rapped solo, I was polo down, but she ain't have to ask right. Bitch's ass really shaking, music blasting, this ratchet shit's happening, man. Shout out to Nasty Nice. If you a hood nigga, then that's the life. They got burners and ratchets stored in case them boys ain't acting right. I should've told them niggas pass the mic. Gave them some bars that had a regularly schedule about their trapper's life. Like being in a bando, accepting reefer sales. Cheap and hella weed, niggas get screaming as soon as they see the 12. Break and run straight to the alley, we kept them heaters there. Beefing always required sneakers, I used to keep a pair. Bervin and Richard showed up to make it even square, but that nigga had both arms raised shooting. He tried to leave us there. That was 9/7, before all recent scene repairs. My nigga just got released to the streets, man, I ain't seen in years. It was a babble about relative snitching. I don't think they seem to care, cause that boy on the block already slanging. Man, he got the people scared. Bars, nigga. Jeezy up.